Sit comfortably on the ground and close your eyes for this loving kindness meditation. Relax your face and your head. Relax your shoulders and your neck. Relax your chest and your back, your arms and hands and fingers, your legs, feet and toes. Relax your whole body. Ask your body, mind and soul to be present for this practice and to lead the way. Bring yourself fully into the present moment. Take a couple of deep breaths. Maybe allow yourself to make sounds of relief on the exhale. Now imagine the shining sun, how it is radiating its light and warmth, its rays of energy in all directions to all beings. The light and the warmth of the shining sun is without prejudice and without preference. Bring the light and warmth of the shining sun into your body now. Feel the light and the warmth radiating through your body, from your head, shoulders and arms, through your chest and back, your buttocks, thighs and feet. Feel the light and the warmth of the shining sun throughout your whole body now. And know this light and warmth as loving kindness. Beautiful thoughts of goodwill and best wishes for other people and yourself. Keep this loving kindness inside of your body, placing it at your heart base. Feel the loving kindness radiating out through the pores in your skin, spreading in all directions. Now attend to yourself. Wish yourself loving kindness. Wish yourself the best, finest, most subtle thoughts of love and bring that into your body. Wishing yourself well, keeping your intention at the center of your chest, and gently repeat these words in your mind. May I be happy and well. May I be safe and warm. May I be far away from troubles and dangers. May I be free from suffering. May I live happily in peace. Send yourself some love, forgiving yourself for any foolish mistakes. Forgive and let go of them. A mistake is a mistake. A harming attitude of mind is not necessary. Let it go. Now imagine your parents or grandparents or a teacher who has been beneficial for you. Fill your mind with loving kindness and radiate it to that person. Filling your mind and heart with love, gently repeat in your mind, holding your heart. May you be happy and well. May you be safe and warm. May you be far away from troubles and dangers. May you not be parted from the good fortune you have attained. May you be free from suffering. May you live happily in peace. Fill your mind with love for your parents, gratitude, thankfulness and respect. Thanking them for all the hard work that they did in raising us, the sacrifices that they made. It's not easy to be a parent. They gave so that we may grow. Fill your mind with love and send it to them, thanking them and wishing them every happiness. Now bring up an image of a loved one. It may be your partner or a lover, children, brother, sister, or a loved friend. Fill your mind with love for that person. Send it to them, radiate it to them, rejoicing in their successes and happiness. Gently repeat in your mind from the heart base, may you be happy and well. May you be safe and warm. May you be far away from troubles and dangers. May you not be parted from the good fortune you have attained. May you be free from suffering. May you live happily in peace. Now we also want to bring up an image of a being that troubled us, a being who has caused difficulties. The coronavirus is such a being. It's a very low form of life, yet it is alive. It is a part of Mother Nature. So we want to fill our mind with loving kindness for the virus as well now, and radiate it to it. It's a law of the universe that whatever you send out comes back to you. So it's a much better approach not to try to fight, control, or kill the virus, but to send it unconditional love instead. I know it may feel weird and difficult for you to send love to a virus, but try to focus on the consciousness behind the virus. Do not focus on what the virus did. That's past, that's gone. Fill your mind with loving kindness and try to cure your mind from animosity and anger. Remove these knots of the mind through loving kindness. It's time to let go of this ill will for this being. So gently repeat in your mind and really mean it when you say this. May you be happy and well. May you be safe and warm. May you be far away from troubles and dangers. May you not be parted from the good fortune you have attained. May you be free from suffering. May you live happily in peace. Love, forgive, and let go. Now is the time to let go of that grudge and to free yourself from it forever. Now imagine all your people that live with you or close to you right now. Fill your mind with loving kindness and radiate it to all of them, to your neighbor, to your friends, to the animals and plants that live close to you, the birds, the insects, and creatures. We send our loving kindness to all of you. Expand like a bubble of energy in all directions. Encompass the whole city you live in, slowly expanding to all over your country. Reach all the countries and places in the world where living beings are currently suffering the most. To all the doctors and nurses on the front line, to all the living beings who are sowing the seeds on earth right now. Thanking all of them for their support, for putting in their good efforts, for living harmoniously together. Fill your mind with loving kindness and thankfulness, and gently repeat in your mind, may we be happy and well. May we be safe and warm. May we be far away from troubles and dangers. May we be free from suffering. May we live happily in peace. Now expand even further. Imagine living beings in every direction, in front and behind, to the sides, above, below, and all around. Fill your mind with loving kindness to all beings in the whole universe. Generate the thought of loving kindness as you breathe in, and radiate that thought of love when you breathe out. Build some rhythm. Keep your attention at the heart space in a gentle, open way. It should be warm and soft, open and spacious. Radiate your loving kindness to the universe now, wishing all beings be happy. May all beings be free from suffering. Wishing all beings be happy. May all beings be free from suffering. We do this together now in silence for another 3 minutes, until you will hear a gong sound playing. So just continue to radiate your loving kindness to the entire universe. Whenever you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes again. Thank you for taking part in this loving kindness meditation. Sending much love your way. Namaste.